with Cecil Cyclery. We're going to build Balboa Electric Bikes E-Cruise model. And let's get this out of the box and get started. One of the easier ways I found to do this is to, once you remove the battery box, stand the bike up. By grabbing the gooseneck, pull the bike straight out. Once the bike is out of the box, you'll need to take some cable snips and cut away the front tire, and the handlebars are also attached. Once we've cleared the cable ties, we'll start removing the package. Most importantly, we need to remove the front fork padding because that's going to be the first thing we do here. So first thing we need to do is attach the front wheel. So by removing the protective caps, loosening the nuts, backing these off almost to the very end, and pulling all the washers to the outside, preparing it to go land on the forks. What we're going to do is now rotate the forks and the handlebars around so that it's in the right direction with the disc brake lining up with the brake. We're going to extend in, making sure the washers are on the outside of the nut, lining up your disc brake, and boom, there is the front wheel in. We'll finger tight these, and then at this time, because we have the front wheel attached, we can come back and use the kickstand and be ready for a build. Okay, so and then we'll open our box. Inside we'll have a battery charger and some tools and the pedals. There's our pedals and our toolkit and our battery charger. Okay, now that we have got the front tire on, now we'll take off the clamp for the handlebars. So now to attach the handlebars, we need to make sure that all the cables and the light run on the left side of the bike, which is the side where the brake cable is. We don't want to put any stress on the brake cable. Centering up the bars. And with this clamp, making sure that there's equal distance on the top and the bottom of the spacing. We want to make sure that the bars are sitting level. Next we will go to attach the light quickly, pulling the pre-existing screw out. Okay, that's that. Next up, we're going to go to the pedals. There is an engraving on the inside. There is a right and an actual left pedal. Inside, you can see a small engraving. So, installing the pedals, we want to make sure not to cross thread. And once it's on, we take our 15mm wrench and secure the pedal firmly onto the bike. All right, now that our pedals are on, we're ready to open up the control panel and turn the bike on. So to activate the light, you hit the power button for 1 second, and then the lights will activate, front and rear. And within this, it's our battery indicator, speedometer, speed modes, and our pedal assist controls. What I like to do to start is I hit the set button, hold it down for a few seconds, and you can choose between power, normal, or eco mode. I like to start out at normal, and that will just control the acceleration of the bike. If you're feeling more confident, you can go to power. Next time, push it there. There's our tripometer. Here's our miles per hour. It's actually kilometers per hour. So we're going to go to the next screen, 26-inch wheel. And up here in this indicator, it says kilometers per hour versus miles per hour. So if you want miles per hour, go to number 4 and hit that. Hit set again. That's our 48-volt battery. And that is all of the settings that we need to know about throttle control. So holding that down to set, everything comes back up, and the bike is ready to ride. Alright, so now that our bike is built, I like to go through and double check that all of our bolts are tightened. With the same 4mm wrench, I'll go around and make sure we have the rack is tightened all the way around. So this bike comes with a set of keys. The keys are for removal of the battery. So how that works is you plug in here, there's your key, and you can pull the battery like so to take it indoors or another location to charge. It easily reinstalls back in and you remove your key. The key is not used to turn the bike on and off. The on and off is only on the control panel. And for charging the bike, you remove the cap, take this standard connector and insert it in the charger, and that's it. You'll get a red light while your battery is charging, and when it's completed, the light will turn green.